Welcome to Fine Art Made Easy, Lesson 2, Part 5. So let's just look at the hues. Burnt umber, ultramarine blue, cadmium yellow and titanium white. And now I'm going to show you how to do the mixes. Okay, let's go through the colours. So we've got burnt umber, ultramarine blue, cadmium yellow and titanium white. Okay, so first we'll do the background. Okay, so a little bit of burnt umber. Now I'm going to make a little bit darker than before, I think. So I'm going to add a little bit more ultramarine blue. Just pretty much how we mix a black, although a very dark tone now. Okay, I'm going to do 4 this time, not 3. So next one here. I don't care about mixing because I'm only going to use next one, so that's not an issue. A bit less titanium white. Sorry, ultramarine blue and a bit of titanium white. No, actually not. Like that. That's quite a bit lighter, so I'll put that one there actually. Right. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, that's pretty good. That's definitely like it. Certainly see it's browner, more brownish. So this one we can add a little bit more titanium white. It's not too much. Fine. Get rid of that white streak in there. I think even lighter than that, actually, just a little bit lighter. No, even lighter than that. A bit of burnt umber because I want to keep the hue. Yep, that's fine. And last one, just on the far right will be too much. A lot more titanium white. Let's go for this much. That's probably a bit too much, but we'll see. Not bad, not bad. Okay, that's about fine. If it's not perfect, I can just adjust it. So from left all the way to right, it's about right. I don't want to be too light. Okay, so that's the background now. Here we can do the foreground. two. We'll do two for this one and the shadow. Okay, so burnt umber. We'll do a bit of cadmium yellow. And just put in some titanium white. Probably need more than that, but there you go. Too brownish and too dark, so add more titanium white, a little bit more cadmium yellow, still too dark, but not far off. We'll use the rest. Yeah, that's about right. Let's have a look. More cadmium yellow, I think. I think that was fine. I'll do a slightly lighter version. I'll make it from fresh. Even lighter than that. Okay. And that's probably a bit, maybe a bit too light, but that's okay. I can always change that. That's fine. And here will be the shadow for the cube itself. So this is a bit tricky. So burnt umber, but that's two oranges. So we'll add some titanium blue just to cool it down. Bit of cad yellow because that's on the surface, and some titanium white. Let's just mix that. It's going to be too dark for sure. All right. Too brownish or too orangish, so you can put it like that. So I'm going to cool it down even more. Put my titanium white. Yep, that's definitely cooled it down a bit. Okay, yep. Okay, let's have a check. That's fine, it's just too brown. I need to cool it down a bit more. But the value is pretty good. Try that. that is fine.
Thank you for watching. Please go to lesson 2 part 6.